What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Banks again. Just wanted to give y'all another update. I actually forgot to do. It's been fixed for some time, but the ZL1 has been repaired. As some of you know, I had it in the shop for it was a driver's side front strut. I mean, not strut, I'm sorry, coilover. Then I had an issue with the radio and the GPS system. The radio wasn't picking up Bluetooth and the GPS would work sometimes. I had it in the shop. They fixed everything in one shot. Everything is finally fixed on the car. Everything is repaired on the car. Now when I turn, you don't hear any noise whatsoever. And the GPS works each and every time. Shout out to my local dealer for getting it straight for me. I know a couple of the guys in the forum were having an issue with that turning and that popping sound. But like I say, it's just the top hat of the coilover. If you take it off, it's a bolt in the inside. If you have the tools to do it, it's a bolt in the inside. You can take off the top hat, tighten up that bolt, and problem solved. But the dealer felt it was better to just replace the whole thing under warranty, so got it done under warranty. So she's perfect. Nothing else to complain about with the car. Hopefully I can get some more mods coming soon. Just depends on if parts come in. Everything's on back order for this car. Every single thing that I try to do is on back order. So we'll see what happens. Trying to make some trips to go out of town, but it's kind of conflicting with my work schedule to do some filming, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much in a nutshell. Just been working a lot, so I haven't been filming that much lately. But if y'all want to see anything or have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. And like I said, I'm still waiting on some parts, but everything is on back order. I mean, I can't hardly get anything. Did my first oil change with the car. That went pretty smooth. I did that myself. Not saying I don't trust the dealers, but I like to know how to change oil and repair stuff on my car myself. That way I can keep a personal log on what's going on with the car. So other than that, that's about it. Any questions or anything, y'all feel free to reach out. Anything you want to see, feel free to hit me up. Have a good day.